think my thoughts about the event is actually centered around three things. Number one, it was people-centered. Number two, it was value-centric, and number three, it was fun. What I mean by people-centered is there were a lot of discussions about skills and talent. How do we bring back people at the center? What I mean about value is, these people tend to just innovate and digitize for the sake of innovating and digitizing, but it actually must be value-driven. And the third one, which is fun, I think it was fun in the sense that we all experiencing the same problems. There's this ERP crisis that everybody keeps talking about, and I think we actually had a chuckle about it. Thank you. I think the most important key takeaway, it's been the need for machine-human collaboration. And people talked about Industry 5.0, and it speaks to the need for humans and machine to work well together. I believe that will actually solve a lot of excessive automation type of problems where people are scared about jobs and all of that. And this conception of Industry 5.0 will actually, in my view, solve that problem. So it's one of the things that I'm actually taking away with and probably going to talk about a lot more often going forward. I think it was insightful. I mean, one of the insights that I've taken away is the need to not only focus on digital, but to actually have subject matter expertise in specific domains. So that was powerful for me. Working in a cross-functional way, gaining skills that not only robots can do, but skills that you can be able to, in fact, direct the robots. And it takes me back to this issue of human-machine collaboration. How can we, as human beings, own the space and work and give instructions to this plethora of robots that we see? Thank you.